At Tusker, we want to make booking a service as simple as possible. So if your vehicle requires routine service or repair work, all you need to do is book it online or over the phone.
We understand that life can get busy, so you'll be offered a choice of 3 different time slots to suit you. You can also drop your car off at the service centre, or it can be picked up from your home or from your office.
You can also ask for a courtesy car if one's available.
We know how important your car is to you, so we ensure that it's taken care of by a qualified technician and approved garage.
Also, by using the Tusker service booking line, we can actively manage your service, reducing downtime.
As well as getting your car serviced, there are a number of things you can do to keep your car in tip-top condition and avoid any unnecessary repairs.
These are things that you should be doing weekly and monthly. For more information, just give us a call or visit the website.
It's all part of the Tusker service.